This project that I'd like to introduce is quite a fascinating project. In fact, first to market here in Australia for curbside recycling by the means of roll and recycle. This project actually contains a specialized polymer material that we actually developed to replace a multi-layer complex laminated material that's used for packing up breakfast muesli. It's been quite an interesting project. We engaged with our customer Brook Farm, who we've been supplying now for nearly 10 years. We started to talk about sustainable options about 6 years ago, and we put many different opportunities on the table. We went with the curbside recycling option and the mono-based polymer option, as it was an ideal development to work jointly together between both companies. What really inspired us to create this project was around sustainability. First of all, personally, I'm an advocate for sustainability, and also the company. We engaged in sustainability projects back about 10 to 12 years ago, and our idea was really to become sort of leaders in this market, or certainly educators in this particular market. I do feel that there's a big opportunity to make our flexible packaging material, our soft plastic material, in fact, a lot more sustainable and a lot more recyclable. Something needed to be done, and we were very keen to sort of change the dynamics in the marketplace, in fact shake it up a bit, rather than waiting for industry to change to offer more of a recyclable option. We wanted to be the people who would disrupt the market and bring new products to the actual market, certainly around sustainability options. Oh yes, there was many challenges, as you can understand, particularly being first to market with this type of product. The first challenge was of course to ensure that the shelf life of the actual product itself was going to be exactly the same as the packaging that we are currently supplying. The packaging that we currently supply is quite a complex laminated structure made of 3 different types of plastic materials, hence the reason why it's very difficult to recycle. So we developed this monopolymer based material and had to ensure that we would have the same barrier protection, the same light protection, the same shelf life and the same aroma protection as the current packaging material. So that was our first challenge that we had to overcome, number one. The second major challenge that we had to overcome was the ability to get this packaging through curbside recycling and into the MRF, which is a mechanical recovering facility. Currently at the moment, mechanical recovering facilities, MRFs in Australia, don't take soft plastic, as a product generally gets recognised as paper and it contaminates the paper stream. So what we did was, working with Prep Design and also with the results group in terms of formalising the correct packaging specification for the label, we're able to develop this product called Roll and Recycle. We had to determine the correct specification of the label, the right type of adhesive, to ensure that when the pouch was rolled up into a canister, which is essentially like a 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional shape, would be to ensure that this product would actually go through the mechanical recycling facility and be picked up and go into the plastic stream. So those challenges took us about 1.5 to 2 years to overcome, but very proud with the fact that now we actually did overcome these challenges and found a very good solution, working in collaboration with Prep Design and also the results group. Our plans and future hope for this product is we're quite aspirational in terms of where we want to be with Roll and Recycle. You know, working in collaboration with Prep Design and the results group, we got great plans and ideas to roll this product out to a number of clients across Australia and perhaps New Zealand. In fact, we even also talked to clients overseas about the idea and the opportunity to make more packaging curbside recycling. The fact that this material actually changes its shape, changes from a flat pouch into what we believe is like a canister, a 3D shape, it sort of allows us to actually roll this into other type of market sectors. Since we've actually launched the Brook Farm product over a year ago, we've actually rolled this out to about 7 or 8 different clients, one big pet food manufacturer and one of our pet food customers, and a number of companies within the FMCG space have already adapted this technology. Our plans and aspirations really for the future is to really sort of embrace curbside recycling, because we believe that is the way of the future. But in order to make your products curbside recycling, we do have to change the dynamics and the specification of the material to ensure that it does have a true afterlife, instead of it actually being a multi-layer complex laminated structure.